In this video, we'll talk about key things to consider regarding access whilst designing end-of-trip facilities. We hope they help you make space efficient and enjoyable for cyclists to use. Ramp gradient. Ramp gradient is important because most users will use the ramp to access the facility. We recommend a maximum gradient of 1 in 8. Boom gates. One of the most common hazards for cyclists in car parks is boom gates. Bad design here will cause accidents. To avoid, be sure to provide a clearance of 1,500 millimeters or 5 feet. Grates. Make sure the grates are designed to not let the tire slip in, like the one shown here. It's very dangerous. Flooring. We like to use the following finishes in different areas to maximize user experience. In the bike room, we suggest high-density rubber flooring, such as Regupol Everall Classic. It is durable and long-lasting, and made from recyclable materials. In the change room, we believe carpet tiles work really well. They provide great traction, are soft, and moisture wicking for those that have just stepped out of the shower, and are easier to replace if worn. In the wet area, always use slip-resistant tiling. According to Australian standards, they need to have a P4 rating. Also, maximize the fall into drains to avoid water buildup. Stairs and bicycles. If you can avoid stairs, do so. They aren't great for users with bikes. However, we know that at times they are essential. Width-wise, we suggest 1,250 millimeters wide, or 4 foot 1 for single traffic, and 2,500 millimeters or 8 foot 2 wide to allow for bi-directional traffic. Channels should be incorporated to accommodate the wheels of the bicycle. They should be located at least 400 millimeters or 1 foot 4 from walls, be 75 to 150 millimeters 3 to 6 inches wide, and rounded to provide ease for wheeling of all bikes. Guardrails should be located on the alternative wall of the channel to mitigate clash points. Generous going should also be provisioned. Plus, the stair gradient should be no more than 30 degrees. Finally, a clear turning space of 1,500 millimeters by 1,500 millimeters or 4 foot 11 by 4 foot 11 should be accommodated at the top and bottom of any stairs. Lifts. Lifts provide a safe means of connection, but can bottleneck traffic during peak times if used to get bikes to the facility. They need to be appropriately sized, at least 2 meters by 2 meters internally, and preferably have double-sided doors. Speed humps. Speed humps are a good way to regulate speed in car parks. Rubber or plastic speed humps are preferable to metal design as they become a hazard when wet. Driveway markings. Make sure you fully consider your design for bicycle pathway and pedestrian marking. They help increase safety, but also work well as wayfinding. Finally, we recommend engaging a traffic management consultant to complete a formal report on the access plan. Let us know if you need any recommendations. So, that's our short guide to access design for end-of-trip projects. Let us know if we can help.